Need to convert a video to MP4 quickly without losing quality? Today, I'm showing you how to use AnyMP4, a powerful multimedia tool designed to make video conversion incredibly easy. If you've ever tried to play a video only to get a format not supported error, you know how frustrating it is. That's where AnyMP4 comes in. Based on their official platform, AnyMP4 is a complete multimedia hub for Windows and Mac. Their flagship tool, the Video Converter Ultimate, lets you convert any common video, even massive 8K, 5K, and 4K UHD files, into highly compatible formats like MP4. Beyond just basic conversion, the software is packed with extra features. It includes a DVD and Blu-ray ripper that can convert physical discs into over 500 digital formats at up to 50 times faster speeds. There's also a built-in screen recorder for capturing gameplay or meetings, and even an AI-powered image upscaler to enhance your photos. Now, let's talk about what to expect. On the positive side, the software is built for speed and ease of use, promising lossless quality during conversion. Plus, they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, free upgrades, and 24/7 customer support. However, to keep things completely honest, we don't currently have a database of independent user reviews or third-party feedback for this tool yet. While the official specs and features look incredibly strong on paper, we always recommend downloading the free trial version first to see how it performs on your specific computer. To get started, just head over to anymp4.com, download the version for your Windows or Mac computer, import your video file, select MP4 as your output format, and hit convert. It really is that simple. Have you tried AnyMP4 yet? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech guides. See you in the next video.